Hi, my name's Joel and I'm one of the support agents here at People HR, and today I'm going to be talking to you about a new feature we've got coming on our new up-and-coming release. The feature is called the Data Loading Tool, which will allow you to load multiple different types of variations of data into the People HR system at one given time. The types of data will include holidays, sickness, other events, maternity and paternity, right to work details, and all them core bits of data that you would need when you're adding a new employee to the system. It's an absolutely fantastic tool for onboarding, whether or not you're just adding new starters, whether or not you're taking on a lot of employees from paying over from a different company, or whether or not you've just not opted for the actual data loading from ourselves. It's an absolutely fantastic tool to be more proactive with your time, and it allows you to spend more time on the other tricky HR subjects. Thank you.